All right, today we're tackling one of the biggest puzzles in trading, and it's probably not what you think. It's not about finding some magic system or perfectly predicting the next big market move. Nope. The real challenge, the thing that separates that tiny group of consistent winners from, well, everyone else, it's all in your head. So why is this mental game so incredibly hard to win? It's a super frustrating question, right? I mean, you see some of the smartest, most accomplished people out there, doctors, lawyers, engineers, you name it, they jump into the markets and just get completely wiped out. All that intelligence, all that success in other areas, it just doesn't seem to help here. It's like it doesn't translate. So if it's not about being smart, what is it really about? And that's really the core idea we're digging into today, and it comes straight from Mark Douglas's classic book, Trading in the Zone. He says the big difference isn't some secret indicator or a fancier algorithm. It's a total, complete shift in mindset. The people who consistently win, they've just learned to think in a totally different way. Okay, so what does thinking differently actually look like? Well, it all starts with understanding what Douglas calls the psychological gap. You know what I'm talking about? It's that massive, frustrating gap between what you know you're supposed to do and what you actually do when your own money is on the line. I mean, think about it for a second. How many times have you been staring at a chart and you just nail it? You perfectly predict the move and then you do absolutely nothing. You saw the opportunity, you knew the setup was there, but you just didn't pull the trigger. That gap, right there, the one between your analysis and your actual results, that's where most trading careers go to die. It's brutal. Yeah, it's a conflict we've all felt. On one hand, you've got your market analysis. It's clear, it's logical, the pattern is staring you right in the face. But then, on the other hand, you have what you actually do, which is often hesitate, freeze up, get paralyzed by fear. So you end up just watching from the sidelines, kicking yourself over the money you could have made. That gap, that is the real enemy here. So what causes this gap? What's behind it? According to Douglas, it really boils down to four main fears. You've got the fear of being wrong, the fear of losing money, the fear of missing out, FOMO, right? And the fear of leaving money on the table. These fears, they basically hijack our brains, triggering our natural instinct to avoid pain, and they cause us to make the exact mistakes we're desperately trying to avoid. So what's the typical reaction to all this fear and the losses that come with it? Well, most of us think, okay, I just need to know more. I need a better analysis. I need more data. But that, my friends, leads us down a really dangerous and frankly useless path. Douglas has a great name for this. He calls it the black hole of analysis. It's this belief that if you just learn one more thing, one more variable, you can finally anticipate every move and get rid of risk completely. But the market has, a practically infinite number of variables. The hard truth is you will never learn enough to conquer that fear. The idea of perfect prediction, it's a total myth. And to really get the solution, it helps to see how trading itself has changed over the years. Back in the 70s, it was all about fundamental analysis. Then we had the technical analysis revolution, trying to spot repeatable patterns. But the final frontier, the real key to being consistent, it isn't in the charts. It's all about mental analysis. It's about mastering yourself, not the market. Okay, so if trying to predict everything is a trap, how do the pros do it? How do they think? Well, they make one of the most powerful mindset shifts you can possibly imagine. They stop thinking like a gambler who's trying to guess the next card, and they start thinking like the house. They think like a casino. Just think about that difference for a second. The typical trader, they are obsessed with being right on this one single trade. They feel this desperate need to know what's going to happen next, and that need is what creates all the fear and pain. But the casino? The house knows it's going to lose on plenty of individual hands of blackjack. And you know what? It couldn't care less. Its entire focus is on its small statistical edge playing out over thousands and thousands of hands. It completely accepts uncertainty, and because of that, it operates without any stress. And that is what an edge really is. It's not a crystal ball. It's not some guarantee of success. It's just an indication of a higher probability, a tiny statistical tilt in your favor. And once you can truly, deeply accept that your only job is to just play that tilt again and again and again, all that crushing pressure to be right on this trade, it just evaporates. So how do you actually do that? How do you start thinking like a casino? It all comes down to drilling 5 fundamental truths into your brain until they're not just ideas, they're core beliefs. These are basically the 5 building blocks of a professional trading mindset. Okay, so number 1, anything can happen.
anything. And once you accept that, you realize number two, you don't need to know what's going to happen next to actually make money. Which leads you to number three, there's a random distribution between your wins and losses, even with a great system, so what can you count on? Only number four. An edge is just a probability, not a certainty. And finally, because it's all just a probability game, you have to accept number five. Every single moment in the market is unique. Truly getting this chain of logic is what finally kills the fear. And when you can finally integrate this new way of thinking, when it really clicks, you unlock the ability to trade in that state of peak performance that, athletes and other pros call the zone.
This is the goal. Trading without fear, no hesitation, no internal arguments with yourself. You're not trying to force anything, you're just responding to what the market is giving you. There's no second guessing. Your actions just flow. They feel effortless, and it almost feels like you're in perfect sync with the market. And look, this isn't some magical, mystical state. It's just the natural result of a mind that has completely, truly accepted uncertainty.
Because at the end of the day, the consistency you're searching for, it's not on a chart, it's in your own mind. So the next time you feel that fear bubbling up, that hesitation, just stop and ask yourself this one simple question. Am I analyzing the market right now, or am I analyzing myself? Answering that honestly, well, that's the real first step to trading in the zone.